Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove space between paragraphs in Microsoft Word. So as you can see here in my Microsoft Word document, I have two paragraphs, right? And the normal way how to remove a paragraph, or let's say the most common way, is by simple clicking where you have the space and simply do a backspace. That's going to remove the space in there, right? But as you can see here, there's still a little space here, a gap that I cannot remove. Now you might be wondering, how do I go about doing that? You can simply click towards the end of the first paragraph. Then you want to go up to the paragraph section here at the top. And here where you have the line spacing, you want to click that drop down and you can switch this to, for example, the 1.0, right? There are different options there, right? And you can switch that to possibly 1.0. All right. If that is still too much for you, you want to go ahead and click anywhere, either the first paragraph or the second paragraph, anywhere in between. You want to click there, then go back to the line spacing, guys, and you will have the option that says remove after paragraph. And as you can see here, once I click this, it removes that line from the two paragraphs, and that's it. Very easy and very simple. That's how to go ahead, guys, and remove space between paragraph in Microsoft Word. Very easy and very simple.